Today, I'm going to show you several condensate management and overflow protection switches available at Perdomo Distributor. Let's start with the EWFS3 Condensate Overflow Shutoff switch. This switch is designed for 24-volt AC systems, rated at 1.25 amps, and includes 6 feet of 18-gauge lead wire. It features a snap-and-go bracket mounting system, which makes installation fast and secure. It uses a magnetic reed switch, so there are no mechanical parts to wear out. This is a great option when you want quick installation and long-term reliability. Next is the EWFS2 Overflow Shutoff switch. It has the same electrical rating, but offers more installation flexibility. This one can be installed inline or plugged, making it ideal for wall units, ceiling units, and low-profile systems. It's a solid choice when space is tight and overflow protection is still required. Now let's look at the EWFS1. This model is designed for maximum flexibility. It allows multiple installation locations and orientations, so it adapts easily to different setups in the field. It is UL 508 tested and uses a magnetic reed switch design for reliable, long-lasting performance. Moving on to drain line flood protection. This switch installs on the primary or auxiliary condensate drain line. If the drain becomes clogged and water begins to rise, the switch shuts the system down before overflow and property damage occur. It includes a pull-to-test feature, an LED indicator to show activation, and internal surge protection for added reliability. It's compact, easy to service, and built for real-world installations. This next option is a drain pan flood prevention switch. It clips directly onto the condensate drain pan wall and allows you to adjust the activation height easily. It uses a magnetic reed float, includes 6 feet of wire, and provides reliable protection against pan overflows. This is a great solution for attic units and applications where pan protection is required. All of these condensate protection products are available online and in-store at Perdomo Distributor, with locations across Florida, Georgia, and Texas. Check the links below or stop by your nearest Perdomo distributor to get what you need for your next installation.